so there's a better shot of the head frame and the ore bin at the, this is the San Rafael mine, and up there above the white truck you can see a shaft collar there, and actually below it, right behind the white truck, there's almost like what they started to stope out an area, and they broke through from I guess the surface back into that shaft that goes down there. The shaft on that is an incline shaft, about 45 degrees. It would be easy to get down there, except that it's all plugged up with debris. And there are some other things on the map here that we're going to go check out. So we're going to head over that way and look at some other tailings piles and possible foundation areas in the hopes of finding an actual adit or another usable entry. So, back at you. Alright, so this is the San Rafael mine, a part of it. And sorry about the wind noise, but the wind is terrible out here in Nevada. So we got a sort of shaft there, cut into the side of this rock. You got the head frame over there, leading into that shaft. It's about a 45, maybe 50 degree shaft. Unfortunately, it's plugged up about 50 feet down with all sorts of debris. The Broken Hills mine is back over that away. Can't really see it though. I don't think. Yeah, but it's over in that direction. Now let's see what we got here. It's the same shaft, but there's the ladder, and alright, let's get some light on the situation down there. And it's not really helping much, there's too much sun. Try some zoom. And it looks like it goes off to the right side there. And this might be a candidate for getting down there. Let's see. Gotta find an anchor point. Alright, so we got some old foundations here. And this mine is not on any maps, or excuse me, not named. The shaft is marked, but I have not been able to find a name for it. And more stuff way over yonder in the distance.
Shalef, S-H-A-L-E-F.
Another shaft right here.
A-N-
You guys are all looking at some rusty artifacts. That's kind of cool. Clorox bleach bottle.
This one's pretty cool.
Oh, Clorox bleach bottle. Take a look-see. Hey, that's an unsafe mine. Stay out, stay alive.
I don't speak English. My English is no good.
Just stand right on the edge, why don't you?
I'm a dreamer.
Oh, that does look nice.
Isn't that? Isn't that beautiful?
The ladders actually look like they're in decent shape, too.
Mm-hmm. You should just climb down there and...
Alright, so there's the engineer and Drunk Mike. They're working with Shaft Penetrator 1. Stinky Ned's looking around over there. So that shaft over there that they're working on is very, very deep. It might be flooded at the bottom. They're losing sight of even the lights that are on Shaft Penetrator 1. And then I ran Tunnel Dog 1 down this shaft. And that one's only about 50 foot deep, but it cuts back under this way. And then there's another one up there behind the white truck. It does the same thing, goes down about 50 feet, and then it slopes and cuts back in the same direction towards where those guys are working. And then over off in the distance there, that's the head frame of the San Rafael shaft. And this might actually be the Hasbrouck mine. It's hard to say because it's really scattered on the maps. That's not the Hasbrouck mine. That's the unknown. This is the Hasbrouck. So we're going to make some decisions here about which shaft we want to head down, and then we'll head down.
I see you seeing me.
I see all you guys up there, so not content to just send the Tunnel Dog down, the Desert Dog has come down and got screwed.
I can send it down.
It don't go nowhere.
Here, catch. Desert
It's
Dog.
too bad.
I'll just lower it down next time.
You can see where they dug out some stuff though. That's kind of cool. But just dead ends. Bummer. But I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and see what's there in the dirt. Yeah, you know what that is?
I hit a torque main there, Clam.
That's what she said. Wow, that's a lot of float. That's, dang. There's some nice pieces there.
That's what I'm talking about.
You could make yourself a table out of this one. That's really nice. Very cool.
My son would go nuts over this.
But we just noticed this odd structure up here. And Drunk Mike and Stinky Ned are going to go check it out. some sort of building, maybe a ventilation shaft, hard to tell. So we're going to take a look and see what we can figure out. Looks like some sort of dugout.
Cabin. Got like a bunks in there. That's cool shit.
How you going if you want? I don't care. Copious rat turds. Shelving. Like somebody left their, I don't know what the heck that is. It's the top of their old 1970s era thermos. Old wood stove. Maybe they got a bucket of gold in the back corner. Soggy. Jar lids. Old oil can or fuel can, I guess. Nope. No buckets of gold. How sad. Could be. All right. Yeah, none of the nails are very old or anything either. It's kind of interesting though how they put up these pieces of corrugated off to the sides. Probably to keep all the rocks and the dirt from sliding in front of the door, but also probably, I'm guessing, maybe act as a little bit of a windbreak. They're pretty smart. And then that stack right there, that's all we saw really from a distance in this mound, part of this mound, so it's pretty well concealed. I think a little dugout bunker cabin thing. There's the old bed spring for it. And there's probably how they got here, which means they didn't use that to leave. Maybe they died there, maybe there are bones around here somewhere. There's some other ruins over there. Take a look at those.